Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This vanity is so cool.
Just look at how much space it has, how many compartments, drawers, and shelves it has. I love the under space that it has so you can put your trash can, like so many things under there. The mirror is very big and clean, great for makeup or fixing your hair. It also has different lights, so it could be super bright, kind of a yellow tint, kind of bright. I feel like the compartments are never ending. It has so many different places to put things, hide things, organize things. And just look at these fancy smancy knobs. Makes you feel super elegant. You can purchase really any stool to go under it. It will look really good and complement almost anything. I love it.
So if you are looking for a vanity that has lots of storage space and you really want to utilize the space in your house and make sure that everything is nice and organized, I would highly recommend this vanity. And that's my point of view.